Have you ever dreamed of running a YouTube channel that grows itself like a tree, one that creates content even while you sleep? Imagine being able to publish daily videos, stay consistent, and reach thousands of viewers without having to film, edit, or record a single thing manually. Well, it's not science fiction anymore. Welcome to the world of automated YouTube content creation, powered by AI tools, smart workflows, and clever systems that do the heavy lifting for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your YouTube content machine, step by step, from brainstorming and scripting to AI-generated voiceovers, automatic video editing, thumbnail creation, and scheduling uploads. Every part of your workflow can be automated. So if you're tired of spending hours editing videos or struggling to stay consistent, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create videos faster, smarter, and better, even thus you never appear on camera. Let's dive in. YouTube automation doesn't mean fake or spammy channels. It's about using technology to streamline your content creation process so you can focus on creativity, storytelling, and growth, while the tools handle the repetitive tasks and others. Think of it like building a digital production team. AI tools for script writing and voiceovers, automated editors for cutting, syncing, and captioning, thumbnail generators for quick visuals, scheduling apps that post your videos while you sleep. The goal isn't to replace creativity, it's to remove friction so you can scale your ideas faster. Automating your workflow helps you produce videos consistently, save time and effort, maintain professional quality, focus on content strategy and audience engagement. You can apply automation to almost any niche: motivational videos, top 10 lists, tutorials, finance breakdowns, storytelling, news commentary, or faceless channels. You get it, it's true. It's about working smarter, not harder. Before you start automating, you need to choose a niche that suits the faceless automation model. The best niches are those that rely on voiceovers, visuals, or screen recordings rather than personal appearances. Some great examples include motivational inspirational videos, finance and investing explainers, tech tutorials and reviews, educational how-tos, top 10 countdowns or trivia, gaming or screen recording commentary, storytelling and narration. Your niche should be evergreen, meaning it stays relevant for months or years. Here is the secret. Avoid trends that fade fast. The evergreen niche is the best niche to choose. Check what's already performing well by searching similar channels. Look for recurring topics with consistent views. That's your signal that automation will work long-term. Once you choose your niche, it's time to set up your AI workflow. Your script is the backbone of your video, and AI can handle it beautifully. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or Notion AI can instantly generate engaging, structured, and SEO-friendly scripts for your YouTube videos. Here's how to do it. Start with a prompt. Example: write a 3-minute YouTube script for a video titled 5 Productivity Hacks That Actually Work. Make it conversational and motivational. Refine your tone. Tell the AI whether you want the voice to sound educational, dramatic, or casual. Structure the script. Break it into sections: intro, key points, examples, and outro. Add natural transitions. Use connecting phrases like, "Now let's talk about," or "Here's something most people don't realize." Always review and personalize your AI script before recording. Automation is powerful, but your human touch keeps it authentic and emotionally engaging. So, to be authentic, make sure there is human touch on your script. Once your script is ready, it's time to turn it into a professional voiceover. Gone are the days when robotic voices ruined videos. Today's AI voice generators sound almost indistinguishable from real humans, with natural pacing, emotion, and tone. Top tools to use include 11labs.io. It has hyper-realistic voices with emotion control. Play HT. It has a wide voice library with regional accents. Murph AI. It is user-friendly for long-form narrations. OpenAI.fm. It's designed for developers, content creators, and others to experiment with AI-generated voice capabilities. Here's how to automate your voiceovers. Paste your script into the AI voice generator. Choose your preferred voice, male, female, accent, style. Adjust pacing, pauses, and emphasis. Export your final MP3. Create a consistent channel voice. Use the same tone and speaker for all your videos. It builds recognition and brand consistency. You can even batch record multiple scripts in one go, saving hours every week. Now that you've got your voiceover, let's pair it with visuals. Creating visuals manually can be time-consuming, but automation tools can generate full videos from your scripts and voiceovers. Try tools like Pictory.ai converts your script into a video with relevant stock footage and text overlays. Synthesia.io uses AI avatars to narrate your script, optional for faceless content. InVideo.io offers customizable templates for every niche. Here's the workflow. Upload your AI-generated voiceover and script. The platform automatically suggests visuals. You can tweak the clips, add captions, and adjust timing. Export the final video in HD. For storytelling or educational channels, you can use free stock footage from Pixabay, Pexel, or you can subscribe on Storyblock. You can as well use Pictory. Its auto-captioning and B-roll matching save tons of time. Once your video is ready, let's move to editing automation. Even if you automate most of the creation, editing still refines the quality. But here's the good news. Editing can also be automated. Tools like Descript, CapCut Desktop, and Runway ML allow you to edit videos by editing text, not timelines. How it works: upload your video or voiceover. The tool transcribes your video automatically. Delete filler words or pauses by deleting text. Add subtitles, transitions, and background music automatically. You can even train AI to identify your preferred editing style, keeping your videos consistent. Use DaVinci Resolve, free version, to batch export videos for YouTube. It saves you hours if you're managing multiple uploads weekly. Your video might be amazing, but without a catchy title and thumbnail, it won't get clicks. Luckily, these can be automated too. Use Canva Magic Media or Thumbnail.ai to generate high-converting thumbnails automatically. ChatGPT or vidIQ to write optimized titles, descriptions, and tags. Example prompt: create 5 YouTube titles for a video about automating YouTube content creation that increases click-through rate. Keep your thumbnails simple. 3 to 5 words, bright contrast, and one main image. The goal is instant attention. For SEO, tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can analyze your keywords and suggest tags for ranking faster. Here comes the final step: putting your channel on autopilot. Use YouTube Studio's scheduler to upload videos in batches. You can prepare a month's worth of content and set each video to publish automatically on specific days. For more advanced automation, try Zapier or Repurpose.io. These tools can auto-post videos to social media platforms, share new uploads to your community tabs or newsletters, convert long videos into short clips for TikTok or Instagram automatically, create a publishing calendar and schedule consistent times. YouTube rewards consistency. Once your workflow is automated, the next step is monetization. You can scale your automated channel into multiple income streams: YouTube AdSense revenue, affiliate marketing, digital products or courses, sponsorships, channel management services. As your system grows, consider automating multiple niches. Use your AI workflow to produce content for 2 to 3 channels in parallel, all from one control dashboard. Automation isn't about doing less, it's about doing more with less effort. And there you have it, your complete guide to automating YouTube content creation using AI. From scripts and voiceovers to editing, thumbnails, and uploads, you now have everything you need to run your own YouTube production line, even if you're a one-person team. Convert long videos into short clips for TikTok or Instagram automatically. Create a publishing calendar and schedule consistent times. YouTube rewards consistency. Once your workflow is automated, the next step is monetization. You can scale your automated channel into multiple income streams: YouTube AdSense revenue, affiliate marketing, digital products or courses, sponsorships, channel management services. As your system grows, consider automating multiple niches. Use your AI workflow to produce content for 2 to 3 channels in parallel, all from one control dashboard. Automation isn't about doing less. It's about doing more with less effort. And there you have it, your complete guide to automating YouTube content creation using AI. From scripts and voiceovers to editing, thumbnails, and uploads, you now have everything you need to run your own YouTube production line. Even if you're a one-person team, remember, automation doesn't replace creativity, it empowers it. It gives you time to focus on ideas, storytelling, and audience engagement, the things that truly grow your channel. So start building your automation system today. Create one video, then another. Soon, you'll have a thriving YouTube channel running efficiently, even while you sleep. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with "I'm ready to automate." Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.